Why manufacturing planning and control, MPC, matters. The goal of manufacturing planning and control in business operations is all about ensuring the right materials, products, and information move through the system efficiently. This is to support a lean approach to production. Lean manufacturing principles emphasize waste reduction, continuous improvement, and efficiency. But to truly achieve lean success, businesses need a structured planning and control system. The 7 key elements that drive effective manufacturing planning and control systems is explained next. First comes level loading, balancing the workload. Think of level loading like meal prepping for the week. You plan in advance to ensure a steady flow of work rather than overwhelming the system with sudden spikes. Level loading prevents bottlenecks by ensuring production is evenly distributed over time. It helps avoid overburdening machines and workers, reduces idle time and fluctuations in production. It supports a predictable and stable workflow. In psychology, cognitive load theory suggests that distributing tasks evenly improves efficiency and reduces stress. Exactly what level loading does in manufacturing. Second comes pull systems, producing based only on demand. Unlike traditional push manufacturing, where production is based on forecasts, lean systems use pull systems, ensuring that production aligns with real-time demand. Products are made only when needed. This reduces excess inventory and storage space, minimizes the risk of overproduction, and it leads to faster response times and improved customer satisfaction. Pull systems are driven by just-in-time production, which is a core principle of the Toyota Production System, TPS. This approach prevents waste by ensuring resources are used only when necessary. Visual systems, seeing the flow of work. Have you ever noticed how color-coded labels or traffic lights make navigation easier? That's exactly how visual systems function in lean manufacturing. Tools like Kanban boards, floor markings, and signage help workers quickly understand workflow status. It helps to enhance transparency and accountability. It reduces miscommunication and errors, and it allows for real-time problem detection and resolution. Visual learning is one of the most effective ways to process information, as supported by dual coding theory, which suggests that visuals improve cognitive understanding. Limited work in progress, keeping it lean. Too much work in progress, WIP, is like having too many tabs open on your computer. It slows everything down. Lean manufacturing limits work in progress to maintain efficiency and avoid bottlenecks. It reduces the clutter and confusion on the production floor. It improves workflow by ensuring each stage is completed before new work starts, and it prevents excess storage costs and delays. This concept aligns with Goldratt's theory of constraints, which highlights that reducing excessive work in progress helps improve overall system performance. Close vendor relationships. This is to strengthen the supply chain. A lean system isn't just about what happens inside the factory. It extends to suppliers as well. Close vendor relationships ensure that materials arrive just in time, supporting a smooth production flow. It helps to build trust and reliability in the supply chain. It reduces lead times and excess inventory, and it helps to encourage continuous improvement through collaboration. This follows the resource-based view theory, which states that strong supplier partnerships provide a competitive advantage by optimizing resource efficiency. Reduced transaction processing, cutting out those unnecessary steps. In a lean system, Unnecessary paperwork, approvals, administration tasks slow everything down. Reduced transaction processing focuses on streamlining these steps. It helps to eliminate redundant administrative work, unnecessary paperwork and systems. This helps to speed up decision making and operations, and it enhances workflow automation and digitalization. Businesses that reduce transaction processing experience lower costs and improved operational efficiency. Preventative maintenance and housekeeping, keeping things running smoothly. Just like regular oil changes that keep a car running longer, preventative maintenance keeps machines and equipment in top condition. Good housekeeping ensures a clean, organized workspace, reducing safety risks. It helps to prevent unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs, which may stop the production line. It improves workplace safety and efficiency, and it supports the 5S methodology: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. Preventative maintenance follows Maslow's hierarchy of needs, where a stable and safe working environment enables for higher productivity. Key takeaways. MPC, manufacturing, planning and control, is critical for lean business operations. The 7 essential elements of MPC, level loading, pull systems, visual systems, limited work in progress, close vendor relationships, reduced transaction processing, and preventative maintenance, all help to optimize efficiency. Lean principles such as just-in-time and the Toyota production system play a crucial role in minimizing waste and improving workflow. Strong vendor relationships and streamlined administration processes support operational success. Finally, preventative maintenance and good housekeeping ensure long-term sustainability and safety.